Hello everyone, this is Sewing for Hobby, and today we are making a gold twisted cable chain. It's a stainless steel, and we're going to make a bracelet. So if you want to learn how to make one with me, just stick around to the end of the video and you'll learn how to make a gold plated cable twisted chain today. Alright, what you need is one of these. This is called a gold twisted cable chain stainless steel. I found mine on Amazon, or you can go to any of your local crafts store like Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, or Plus Compare online, and they have these chains where you can make them. It came like this, but I had to unwrap it in the plastic wrap. And it cost me $15.99. $15.99. 1599. So these are quite costly because you get it in bulk, about 33 feet or 200 feet, something like that. I'm not sure the feet, but you can always check it out yourself. If you want more details, just head over to Amazon.com and you'll get it. What you need is some jump rings. I'm using these for my jewelry kit. Of course, you're going to need some lobster clasps. This is what I'm using, gold. You need flush cutters, something to cut. You can use your flat nose, round nose, or round nose pliers. Let's set these aside so I can have some room and start. I'm going to first by taking out, excuse me. I'm going to start by taking out the lobster clasps. Take out one, set that aside. Now, for the size, depending on how big your chain is, and this is kind of like a small size, and even though it's a little bit rusty in some parts, you can always cut around it and make it look nice. So what we're going to do is measure the wrist. I'm going to use my hand as a model. So about, maybe right there, about a 7.5. Let's do that again for you. And cut it probably, let's see, unwrap it. You don't want it too big, but you want to make sure it fits comfortably over your wrist. So about maybe right there. I'm going to eyeball it. And yeah, just measure it out. Now this is what you want to do. Take your flush cutters, which are these. Be careful not to cut your fingers. And then cut. Alright, set this aside. Alright. Now we're going to take a 6mm jump ring. We'll have to eyeball it. Take 2 on each side. I'll take a couple out. Now what you want to do, take one end, find your hole, stick it through. If you want to, you can put your lobster clasps on early. Close. Kind of hard to see it on camera. There you have it. Let me see it up close. If I did a good job, maybe you guys can give me a thumbs up. How about that? Now, I'm going to take one of these and do it on the same thing to the other end. Do what I do and you'll get a nice gold, beautiful bracelet. You can sell these. You can do whatever you want with them. You can wear them to special occasions or wear everyday jewelry. You can wear whatever fits your mood. And open it. Now do the other end. We'll do it one more time. You can always pause the video to catch up. There you have it. Just do what I do. You can do it either in silver or gold, whatever you prefer. There we go. There you have it. I always struggle to put the clasps on. Let's see if I can do it. There you have it. Took me a couple of tries, but if it's too big, you can always, mine is probably too big on me, but you can, I made a big size, but I can always adjust the size and things like that. The purpose of this tutorial is to teach you guys how to make your own, so you can do what I do. If you want it a little smaller, all you gotta do is just lay it out like this. You want to cut probably about right here. You don't want to cut it too close. But I made mine a little bit big so I can demonstrate you guys the different sizes and to see what works best for you. Anyway, this is my size, so you can always adjust the size on your lobster clasp. You can try to put it in one of these holes. It will close it nicely, so you can adjust the length on. The beauty of these chains is that you can adjust the length to anywhere you want. So I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. There you go. You can adjust the size and it will fit. If it's still too big, just keep adjusting. But you get the idea. All you gotta do is just play around with it. You get a nice chain. And you can make this a little bit big, long, wherever fits your mood. You can always, you know, put it around here to make it nice and snug. But since obviously I'm still not used to putting the lobster claps on and stuff like that. But anyway, you get the idea. And that's it for today's tutorial. And I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned for other videos, and I'll see you in the next one. So for this project, you need this tool, and this tool, and this tool. Okay? You need a lobster clasp and a jump ring. It can be either in gold or silver, but it depends on your preference. So you choose, and hopefully this tutorial will guide you on how to do it. And you can, you know, for a beginner, you can make your own, you can sell it, you can do whatever you want. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye, everybody.